Dr. Jim Van Allan. He's a national best-selling author, speaker, podcaster, husband, and father of 3 children from sunny South Florida. He is the president of the Energy Bus for Schools program and works directly with best-selling author and world-renowned speaker John Gordon. Jim impacts clients across the country and even the world with a trip to a school in Beijing, China in 2024. He has a speaking career that spans 20 years. Jim speaks to a variety of audiences, including teachers and staff, students, and district-level employees and administrators. His main focus is helping schools and districts create a positive culture, defeat negativity, improve communication, and help relationships to thrive. His school and district professional development workshops cover half or full days. These workshops are interactive and full of group discussions, team activities, and station work. All are designed to help your audience be immersed in the material. Jim works to make this material personal to all participants and full of turnkey strategies to help schools and districts. For keynote speaking, Jim uses a variety of audience engagement, stories, strategies, music, and props to make the event come alive. His energy is off the charts, and the audience becomes active participants in the message. They will leave with strategies to help cultivate a positive mindset in order to be the best versions of themselves at work, home, and in the community. Jim also loves impacting student groups with fun, energetic, and interactive assemblies. He speaks to students of all ages and grade levels and uses props, music, and audience engagement to keep students' attention. These sessions focus on the principles from the best-selling book, The Energy Bus, and inspire students to love their passengers. Don't be a bully, have a vision, and fuel up with positivity. Jim and John Gordon's book, The Energy Bus for Schools, became a national bestseller, and along with their program, gives schools the blueprint and framework to create a positive campus and district culture. Jim will create an experience like none other for your school or district. Let's get on the Energy Bus and enjoy the ride of your life.